Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get time jumpers. First, ensure your character is at least level 25. Next, locate the Chronos NPC in the central hub. They will provide the introductory quest. This quest involves collecting 5 temporal fragments from the Whispering Sands zone. Completing this initial task unlocks further methods for acquiring these valuable items, making your journey much smoother. There are several reliable ways to acquire time jumpers. Many can be earned by completing specific story quests or daily challenges. Certain elite enemies and dungeon bosses also have a chance to drop them upon defeat, so prepare for a fight. Additionally, you might find vendors in major cities who sell time jumpers for a price, typically around 500 gold pieces each. To maximize your time jumper acquisition, focus on daily and weekly challenges, as they often provide guaranteed rewards. Joining a guild or a dedicated team can also significantly boost your chances, as many activities offer group bonuses. Don't forget about crafting. Gathering specific temporal essences and rare crystals allows you to synthesize time jumpers at a crafting station. For advanced players, participating in limited time events is crucial. These often feature exclusive time jumper rewards or significantly increased drop rates. Exploring hidden zones and secret passages can also uncover rare stashes, sometimes containing multiple time jumpers. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep an eye on community forums for tips on new event schedules and secret locations, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to boost your collection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.